All right. Let's see. Bring in Jennifer Washington and Mr. Dorian Watts.
Hello.
Mr. Watts.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of Pete versus Dorian Dwayne Watts. This is ticket SP 11833392, SP 1322760, SP 1385568, SP 1385573, SP 1385617, SP 1385559, SP 1322740. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Mr. Dorian Watts, who is present today via Zoom on the phone-in feature. Mr. Watts, please state your full name for the record.
Dorian Watts.
All right, counsel, how are we moving forward?
Yes, Your Honor. I've had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Schneider and Mr. Watts. Mr. Watts has indicated to me that he is ready to move forward in his case and set the matter for jury trial.
Okay. All right. Let me see what my jury trial dates are, the farthest one I have. What all right, give me 1 second, okay?
Not a problem, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
What about October the 2nd, counsel?
I apologize, Your Honor. I will be out of town on the 2nd.
Okay. Then my next one will be October 16th.
October 16th is a good day, Your Honor.
October 16th.
That'll be fine for me as well.
Okay, October the 16th. We'll have a final pretrial. Will you be back that week before to make sure that we're still going?
Yes, I will. I'm only out of town the first half of, the 2nd through about the 5th. So yes, that'll be just fine, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll have a final pretrial on, let me make sure this is the right number. Yes, we'll have a final pretrial on October the 10th, because October 9th is Columbus Day. I don't know if we're open or closed. So
Okay.
we'll do a final pretrial. That'll be on Zoom at 10 a.m. And then on October 16th is when we'll have the jury trial, okay?
Very well.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, the jury trial will be in person, okay?
Very well.
Yes,
Thank you very
ma'am.
much
Can you send notice?
this time.
Yep,
Can I have notices sent for those dates?
you'll have a notice sent for at least the jury trial. I'll see if we can do it for the final conference, but write it down, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, by October. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
October
And thank you,
16th, okay? You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Mhm.
Bye-bye. All right, Attorney Reed, thank you for your patience. Ms. Jennifer Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Jennifer Washington. This is Z ticket 8088151. This is one count operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Daniel Reed, P number 30965, appearing on behalf of Ms. Washington. We do consent this matter proceeding by Zoom. Ms. Washington, state your name for the record, please.
Jennifer Washington.
Thank you.
All right, counsel, how would you wish to proceed today, sir?
There is a resolution in this matter. I've talked to my client as well as the city attorney. My client is going to be pleading guilty to the lesser included operating while impaired. All other charges are going to be dismissed.
All right, if that's the case, Mr. Washington, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have the opportunity to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes,
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date on or about November 12th of 2022. Ma'am, at that time, were you driving a vehicle in the area of East Canfield and Woodward Avenue in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And were you under the influence of alcohol at the time, ma'am?
yes,
And counsel, will you stipulate that her blood alcohol level exceeded that of being able to drive on the street at that time, counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Satisfied, counsel?
We're satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired. Ma'am, we're gonna have to set this up for a sentencing date. Counsel, look at your schedule or have your JI2 who's available, see if September 12th works. Does that work?
I have a trial on September 11th, so I'm sure it's going to still be going, so that may not be good.
That whole
Okay,
week.
the whole week is
The whole
gone,
week.
so what's that following week?
Yes. Yes, that full week.
Okay, what about the week of the 18th? Are you available any days that week, Attorney Reed?
Yes, Your Honor, the 18th is probably a good day.
It's not.
Okay.
We're in trial. We're in trial on
Oh,
the 18th.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay, sorry about that.
We do Thursday the 21st or the 22nd.
What about the 25th, the week of the 25th? I'm sorry, Ms. Washington.
no problem.
25th.
okay.
Thursday.
That's fine.
J.I., is that fine?
25th is a good day.
The week of the
Okay, all
25th
right.
is fine, Your Honor.
Okay, September the 25th. I just want to make sure, okay? Let's do it September the 25th. Ma'am, I need you to take down a phone number to call for me. You ready?
Yes,
313-965-3414.
okay,
Okay, we got to send them over some paperwork on our behalf, but you need to call them to set up your appointment for your PSI, which is the pre-sentence investigation report. It's just to let me know a little bit more about you and what I should order, okay?
okay.
All right, there's nothing further. Thank you, Ms. Washington.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Ms. Washington. Thank you, Your Honor, and the prosecution.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Attorney Reed. Good luck with whatever you have going on in court today, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm in federal court.
Of course. All right, good luck. All right. Thank you.
All right. Take care.
Bye.
And you too. I'm calling in Mr. Winters first. Eric Winters,
Yes, yes, yes.
turn on your camera, please. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Eric Dwayne Lucky Winters. This is ticket SP H06423, driver's license expired. Ticket U 30917607, smoking at a gas station pump. Ticket number 328855, drove while license not valid, and count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578, on behalf of Mr. Winters. State your name for the record, sir.
Eric Winters.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his jury trial rights. However, he would like to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial. Is that correct, sir?
Yes,
All right, that's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's the trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
yes.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of October the 10th of 2023 at 9 a.m. October 10th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Bond is set at $0. Did you have to pay any money to get these tickets heard before me?
Say that one more time. I didn't hear.
I know. Did you have to pay any money in order to get these tickets on the docket for today?
No, ma'am.
All right, so bond will stay at $0 personal at this time. All right, I'll see you back October the 10th via Zoom for your bench trial, okay, sir?
Okay,
All right, have a good day.
you too.
I will.
I can leave it now.
Yeah, you can leave now. Thank you.
All right, have a blessed day.
You too, sir. Anand Williams. Is it Autumn? Autumn maybe? Williams? Miss Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Autumn Williams. This is ticket SP 1456036. Count one, unregistered, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bond for the defendant.
No, it's bad, Attorney Goffman.
Is it? Can you hear me now?
All right, that's better. Okay.
Harry Bond for the defendant. Ma'am, your name?
My name is Auden Williams.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant has valid documents. I've seen them and verify as an officer of the court and ask the case to be dismissed, please.
All right, at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documents, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss without prejudice the counts on my docket today. You're all set, okay, ma'am?
Thank you so much. You have a good one.
You're very welcome. You too. Have a great day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Marquise Webb. Marcus, maybe it's Marcus. Mr. Webb,
Yes, ma'am.
is it Marcus Webb? Is that how you pronounce your name, sir?
Marquise.
Marquise, I was right. It's Marquise. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marquise Webb. This is ticket 126102117. One count drive while license not valid. Ticket 144527113. No operator's license on person. Ticket 233114. No operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 1199358, count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Webb. State your name for the record, please.
Marquise Webb.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Mr. Webb is aware of his jury trial rights. However, he would like to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial. Is that correct, Mr. Webb?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I want to set this for a bench trial on the date of October 10th. October 10th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. You're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Alexis Walker. Ms. Walker, you can unmute yourself. You can leave Mr. Webb, okay? You're all set. Bond set at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Alexis Rose Walker. This is ticket SP 1437224. One count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Alexis Walker.
Judge, the defendant wants to resolve this today. There is an offer that if she pleads guilty to the disorderly conduct, that would be taken under advisement for a period of 90 days. She's ready to make a factual basis here.
All right. That's the case, ma'am. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea that you're going to give up the rights that you have to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of February 25th, 2023. That time were you in the area of Woodward and Adams in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you act in a disorderly manner in front of that location or in that area?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to disorderly conduct in this particular matter. Man, why were you fighting outside this building?
I had went to the club annex for my husband's birthday, the 24th. And I ended up getting to it with 3 females I didn't even know. All I know is I got hit and we all started fighting. And we got put outside of the club.
Mm.
And then
Keep
my
going
sister,
now. Keep going.
we got put outside of the club, and my sister was upset, and then my friend was upset because she said she also got hit by the females with a bottle on her head. She was bleeding. She got hit in the head with a bottle by the females as well. And they all started fighting outside. And at that time, I was trying to break it up. I wasn't even trying to fight anymore. The police ended up coming. I ended up getting a ticket. And I don't know. It was just a crazy night. It was crazy. I don't know. I didn't know the female.
I know. These are the risks that you take when you go to clubs, right? And I'm saying that you should go, but you know, you look up and then before you know it, all that courage punch inside of you allows you to do stuff that maybe your regular behavior wouldn't allow you to do.
Yeah.
All right. So my fine today is not a fine, it's community service. I need you to do 25 hours of community service for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you 3 months because that's what this is. It's a 3-month delay sentence. You do my 25 hours of community service, I'm going to dismiss this matter, okay?
Okay.
All right, if you need some air, Ms. Green is the person for our office that does this or for our building. Her number is 313.
Oh, wait,
Can you
I
put
got
this
the-
up quick? Okay, you need a piece of paper? Go get one. Let me know when you're ready, Ms. Walker, okay?
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, 313-965.
965
8130.
30.
If you have some place you do community service, she'll just give you a sheet so you can record it for us. If you don't have a place to do community service, she can give you a couple of places that you can go, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And this we will have a review on October 31st, okay? I expect these 25 hours to be done by then so that I can dismiss this, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, 8:45 a.m. Make sure that you just keep level-headed, okay? I'm sorry that happened to you, but you, for some reason, got the ticket, so, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Walker.
Thank you. You too.
I will, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sierra Walker. This is ticket SP 1375185. no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant, Ms. Walker. Please state your name. Thank you. Judge, the defendant is here for a no insurance misdemeanor, and she has valid and current insurance. It won't expire until October 24th of 2023. Would you dismiss this case? I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right, this time the court, as an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. All right, ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay? All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tamila Walker is coming in next. I think it's Ayana Williams is coming in. Ms. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, okay? All right, now calling the matter of People versus Ayana Williams. This is ticket SP 1374005. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Ayana Williams.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
We'd like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial, Your Honor.
All right. This time the court is going to set this for a pretrial on the date of September 26th. September 26th, that'll be at 8:30 a.m. Your bond will be set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Williams, I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Katrina Weaver.
Yes. Yes, Katrina Weaver. I can't hear you if you're speaking to me.
She's not. Just hold just a second.
Okay.
Katrina Weaver.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Katrina Weaver. This is ticket SP 1379489. Count 1, leave scene of accident property damage. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Weaver. State your name for the record, please.
Katrina Weaver.
Your Honor, my client would like to request a jury trial. I'm asking that the court would adjourn a pretrial and appoint counsel on her behalf. I did fill out the form. I just need the next court date and I will email it over to Madam Clerk.
Okay. I can set it for a pretrial on August 28th. Okay?
Okay,
We're gonna come back for a pre-trial, ma'am, that day so that we can make sure counsel is appointed for you at 8:30 a.m. And then we can pick the dates from there, okay?
Thank
and
you.
Your Honor, you did say August 28th?
Yep, August 28th. I'm trying to get her in a little sooner so that way we can try and figure it out.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, we'll see you then, Ms. Weaver. Bond set at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can sign off, okay, Ms. Weaver?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Christopher Williams?
Yeah, I'm here.
Mr. Williams, why are you back again?
I don't know. I have no
Mr.
idea.
Williams, you need to make sure you have everything up to date, valid all the time. Now calling the matter of the people versus Christopher Lee Williams. This is ticket SP 1453071. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Christopher Williams.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation to dismiss for valid documentation. We stipulate the proper cause.
All right, this time the court's going to dismiss without prejudice these matters. Mr. Williams, stop coming to see me, please.
I would try to.
Okay, Mr. Williams, do it. Stop coming to see me.
I got you. I got you.
All right. All right, Mr. Williams, have a great rest of your day. You're all set. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye, Mr. Williams.
Yep.
Maggie Willis?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Maggie Monique Willis. This is ticket SP 1327367. Failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Willis. State your name for the record.
Maggie Willis.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss for valid documentation. We stipulate the proper cause.
All right, this time the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, ma'am, you're all set. Thank you so much for your patience this morning.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You can log off.
You too. Bye.
Say thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye, precious.
Bye.
Bye. Dave, good morning. David Washington?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Davis Otis Washington. This is ticket SP 1410465. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Kaufman? I know it's not you, Attorney Bradfield.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Washington, your attorney is not available right now. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do Carl Williams for you, Attorney Bradfield.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Carl Edward Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Carl Edward Williams. This is ticket SX 4134849. This is count 1, speed exceeding 70 miles per hour. Count 2, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Carl Edward Williams. State your name for the record, sir.
Carl Edward Williams.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The trooper has failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
All right, the time is now 10:52 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss without prejudice this matter. Thank you, sir. You're all
Thank you.
set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. I'm bringing in Charlize, maybe, Charlize,
Yes.
Charlize Williams.
I'm here.
All right, you can turn on your camera for me, please.
Okay, here we go.
Ms. Williams. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Charlize Williams. This is ticket SP 1456113, count one, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Charlize Williams.
Your Honor, in speaking with Madam Prosecutor, there is a recommendation to dismiss. We stipulate to probable cause.
You said dismiss?
Yes, dismissal.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Judge, somebody just called in. Should I let them in or wait?
Yeah, we can let him in. The phone number, yes. It's Nicholas Williams.
The person who joined us, what's your name, please?
Otis Whitty, ODISWHITTY.
Mr. Whitty, I'm glad you were able to connect. Mr. Whitty is the one who's been trying to get his audio together.
Yeah.
Gonna put you in the breakout room in a moment. Breakout room 2.
I'll bring in David Washington. Again. All right, Mr. Washington, you still there for me? Unmute yourself, okay? Yeah, unmute yourself. There we go, Mr. Washington. Thank you for your patience. Recalling the matter of the people versus David Otis Washington. This is ticket SP 1410465. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
David Washington.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant has the documents he needs for a compliance dismissal today. His insurance won't expire until November 4th of 2023, and his plates are good until April 2nd of 2024. I've seen both of those documents. Would you please dismiss these cases? I stipulate the probable cause.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything up to date and valid in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, Mr. Washington. Good log off, okay?
Okay.
Nicholas Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can turn on your camera for me, although that is a nice pic. Good job. All right, now calling the matter of people versus Nicholas Deshaun Williams. This is case number SP 1377500, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your name for the record.
Nicholas Williams.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss for valid documentation, and we stipulate the probable cause.
All right, this time the court is going to dismiss without prejudice that matter. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm bringing in Brianna Watson. Watson? Watson?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you turn on your camera for me?
Yes, 1 second. I gotta try to talk. 1 second.
Oh, it's so low, I can't barely hear you.
1 second.
Ms. Watson, I'm really struggling to hear you. I know you got a kid in the background, but I can't hear you barely. I'm bringing in Terrence West.
Yes, I'm here. Hello. Hello.
All right. Oh, it's a lot of noise in your background, okay? Mr. West, put yourself on mute for me. All right,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
calling the of the people versus Brianna Watson. This is ticket SP 1455507. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
It's Brianna Watson.
Judge, Miss Watson is going to waive her right to any further hearings or trial. She's been advised and she wishes to plead guilty. The recommendation is for a 90-day delayed sentence to a guilty plea for allowing.
Ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. The other right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I spoke with someone.
All right.
And
He was an
then-
attorney. He may not have told you that, okay?
Okay.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything beyond the 3-month delay sentence with a dismissal at the end in exchange for a plea today?
No, he said something about me paying the tickets.
What?
To pay the tickets.
Right, so you're gonna pay this ticket and then it's gonna get dismissed. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to take this plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 28th of this year, 2023. Did you own a Kia vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you allow somebody who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
Yes.
And counsel, will you stipulate it was in the area of Rutherford and Plymouth in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right. You satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied and I stipulate the probable cause as to the matter being dismissed. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ma'am, my fine is $200. You have 3 months to pay it. As long as it's paid by your review date of October 31st, 2023, this case will be dismissed. This count 2 will be dismissed, okay?
Okay, so you said it needs to be paid by October 1st, 2023, correct?
Right,
Okay.
right. And you'll come back to court, and if I see it's been paid, I'm going to dismiss it, okay?
Okay, for $200, correct?
That's correct, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you can pay a little bit on it as you go along, but make sure it's paid in full so I can dismiss that count on that day, okay?
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Watson. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Yes, he did. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he didn't break out room number. He didn't break out room 16.
You just called to make sure that nobody forget about it. The officer.
Yeah, he in room number 16.
Somebody talk to him?
I don't know. I'll let y'all fight. You heard that. Terrence Ward. Mr. West, I'm sorry. Terrence West, unmute yourself. Sorry. Don't know what to do. Somebody tell me. Unmute yourself, Mr. West. You know how to do that?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
Now calling, turn your camera back on, okay? Now calling the matter of the people versus Terrence West. This is you ticket 595-65121. This is one count of the violation of the Controlled Substance Act. Ticket number SP 1284176. Count 1, consuming alcohol in public. Count 2, littering. Littering. I'm sorry. And ticket number SP 1328081. Pedestrian walking roadway with sidewalks provided. Count 2, knives and blades longer than 3 inches prohibited. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant, Mr. West. Please activate your camera and state your name.
My name is Terrence West. Hold on. Let me start my video. Okay,
Thank
can
you.
you see me now?
Yes, I can. So,
Okay.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial. I would acknowledge the presence of Officer James Reeves. He came in and there is a plea agreement. The defendant is going to waive his right to a trial in those matters and plead guilty to the knife. There's a 12-month delayed sentence.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? The other
Can
right.
you see?
I can. Can you do
Okay.
the other right? Do you swear or affirm to
Okay,
tell
hold
the
on.
truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
So help me God.
All right. Thank you, sir. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of April 26th of 2022. At that time, sir, were you walking in the area of Mack and Rome streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were walking in that area, did you have knives or blades that were longer than 3 inches you can have in the city?
I didn't know that for the fact that the area that I'm in, it was only cost for me to have a blade because it's bad over here. And that's the only thing, that's the only reason why I had it on me. That was the only reason why I had it on me.
So the question, Mr. West, wasn't why did you have it on you? It was, did you have a blade that was longer than 3 inches?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, and I stipulate the probable cause as to all the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to 1 count of blade more than 3 inches. The remaining counts called on the record today will be dismissed. Sir, I know some areas can be rough. That's not where you live though, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
I'm sorry. No.
It wasn't. I was gonna say, because I looked at your address before I did it. So when you tell me, oh, I'm in a rough area, you opted to be in that rough area at that time. And it wasn't even late at night. Mr. West, your fine is $250. $250. Okay? You have 12 months to pay it, because this is what's on a 12-month delay sentence, which means if you get no other cases like this one, I'm going to dismiss it at the end, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just if you got to be in the area and you don't have the proper stuff to have and you feel uncomfortable, don't go. I'm serious. I understand.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
don't go. It's going to do all that to you because you don't want this type of situation. All right, so I'll see you in 1 year, July 31st of 2024. We'll do your review and I'll do it at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay, and can I ask you a question? Could you send me the paperwork so I can start making my payments?
So what ends up happening is that you can go online and start making payments. Give us like 1 or 2 days so we can make sure it's in the computer system. If you really want some paperwork, you can come down to 36 and they'll print it out for you. Otherwise, you can go online and get it yourself.
Or could you send it to this phone, because I'm really computer illiterate and I have people helping me. I have to be honest with you.
Mr. West, call the courtroom and we'll send you out some paperwork, okay? Call us this afternoon though, okay? You have our phone number?
No, ma'am. Let me go get an ink pen, please.
Okay.
Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. All right.
So I still have.
I'm back.
Okay. 313.
I'm back.
313-729. Nope, that's my real number. 313-965. 2293. 2293. 2293. Okay. All right. You're all set. You can go ahead and log off. I'll see you in a year, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh.
You need help signing off, Mr. West? You need me to get you off, Mr. West?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go ahead and log you off, okay?
All right, thank you.
Rest of your day. You're welcome. All right. Chantel Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chantel Lanice Washington. This is ticket SP 1069976. This is count 1, drove while license is not valid or improper. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradley on behalf of Ms. Washington. State your name for the record, please.
Chantel Washington.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my reading.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Your Honor, we'd like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial. We're also asking the court's permission to allow her to pay her reinstatement fees. She's indicated these are the only tickets that that is preventing her from getting her license. And I'm asking that the court will allow her to pay her reinstatement fees up front and for her to bring a valid license in next court date.
Okay, all right. She also has a ticket. Y'all talked about the ticket she has in default. Cause I don't know if those were just due insurance, I think.
She has one or more than one, Your Honor.
She has 3 tickets in default. A speeding, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed, a drive at conditions too fast, speed too fast for condition, and an expired plate. But these are 2020 cases. I don't usually go back that far. All right. I am going to set this for a pretrial. I'm going to allow to pay her reinstatement fees. And I'll see you back, ma'am, on the date of September 26th. Is that gonna give you enough time or you want some more time?
That's enough time.
All right, September 26th at 8:30 a.m. I put on here, allow you to pay your reinstatement fees. So you should be able to go in and pay those, okay?
How do I find out how much my reinstatement fee is?
They're usually $45 for whatever tickets they are. So if you go online tomorrow, and you look up your name, you'll be able to see how many reinstatement fees you have, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Washington. I'll see you back on that date, hopefully with your license, okay?
At what time?
At 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Thank you, Your
welcome. 8 a.m., no problem. Bond set at $0. All right, I'm gonna bring in Mr. Can we go off YouTube for a minute?